Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to enable notification sounds for push-to-talk, or PTT Activate, on the Discord app for PC using the latest update. If you want to get an audible cue every time you activate push-to-talk, follow these simple steps and you'll never miss a moment in your voice chats. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look towards the bottom left corner of the window. Here, you'll find your profile picture and username. Right next to that, you'll see a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on the gear icon to open up your user settings. Inside the user settings menu, you'll see a list of different categories on the left side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on Notifications to open up the notification settings page. Now you'll see a variety of options related to how Discord notifies you. Scroll down a bit until you find the Sounds section. This is where you can customize which actions in Discord will play a notification sound. Look for the option labeled PTT Activate. This stands for Push to Talk Activate. If the toggle next to it is turned off, you won't hear any sound when you press your Push to Talk key. To enable the notification sound, simply click the toggle so it turns on. Once activated, Discord will play a sound every time you use Push to Talk, letting you know your microphone is live. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can make sure you're always aware when your push-to-talk is active, thanks to the new notification sound option in the latest Discord update. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your improved Discord experience.